Hello y'all, and welcome back to another video of me doing my own hair. I'm getting ready to start doing my hair. What time is it? It's 9:44 p.m. Love that for us. I'm gonna be doing some small feed-in braids on my hair with some curly ends, maybe like some curly pieces in between. We'll see. The color is like a 30, and then underneath here, this is like a 27. So I do have a 30-27 mix. This onyx, I think this is human hair, is it? Yeah, 100% human hair, 14-inch. These are gonna be the pieces in between to give it that boho look. So we're jumping right into this video. This is the hair I will be using. It was already mixed 27 and 30 together, and it just was perfect. I didn't have to do any mixing myself, so I just went ahead and used that pack. I made sure to also part from ear to ear because when I do the braids, they're all not going to be able to reach the back of my nape. So I make sure to do knotless braids in the back. I did about 2 rows of knotless braids, the same size I would do the regular braids for feed-in. And right here, I'm just showing you guys exactly how I place those human hair pieces in between the braids. This is a slow-mo exactly of how I do that. And you'll also see me do that again towards the end of the video.
Sock it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I want more slow. Sock it to me. Ooh, sock it to me, lock it to me too. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. Popping man, stop some Crisco. All you gotta say.
I parted my hair 1,000,001 times just to make sure the parts were absolutely perfect. I don't have a really good video of me parting my hair just because some files got corrupted on my camera. But this is just me trying to get the perfect parts for the next braid. Once you get that first braid down, I started from the middle at the top. And then I worked my way all the way down to my ears on both sides. So that's something I do recommend. I also purchased a mirror that is a 3-way mirror so that I can see exactly how the part looks behind me. So part as many times as you need to, and I'll leave the link to that mirror down below.
I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED. And when you suck it to me, suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me. Suck it to me. I can take it, I can take it. You know. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess up some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I won't move slow. Sock it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Sock it to me. Ooh, sock it to me, lock it to me too. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping man, stop some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow.
$101K. Thank y'all. We did it.
I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED. And when you suck it to me, disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw. Backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED. And when you suck it to me, suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a no. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Ooh, suck it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. Backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED. And when you suck it to me, suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a no. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow.
I feel absolutely so bad, y'all. I didn't get basically any good footage of me braiding my hair down. This is the only one, just a little bit before me braiding my hair. But I have some corrupted files in the SD card. Didn't save my videos. So I'm really sorry about that. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed what I have brought so far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also catch me on my TikTok lives anytime I do my own hair. But thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.
Backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping bands like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I want you move slow, slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in.